It all began in a small Italian workshop. Ferruccio Lamborghini, a man obsessed with precision, power, and luxury, started by building tractors in post-war Italy. Yet beneath his calm exterior burned an ambition that could not be contained. A dream to create machines that would rival the greatest sports cars in the world. One man's vision, fueled by obsession, determination, and perfectionism, would eventually give birth to a legend. Lamborghini. In the early 1960s, Ferruccio grew frustrated. Ferrari dominated racetracks and the hearts of car enthusiasts, but Lamborghini refused to follow. He wanted more than competition. He wanted to innovate, to shock, to redefine what a supercar could be. His goal, not just speed, but a harmonious blend of engineering, design, and daring craftsmanship. The first creation, the 350 GT, marked Lamborghini's entry into the world of high-performance luxury cars. Under its hood roared a V12 engine, a masterpiece of engineering that combined raw power with smooth precision. But Ferruccio's genius was not limited to performance. Every detail, from the aerodynamic curves to the luxurious leather interiors, was meticulously designed. These cars were not just vehicles. They were statements of ambition, audacity, and Italian artistry. Then came the Miura, a car that transformed the automotive world forever. Its mid-engine layout, aerodynamic lines, and breathtaking performance made it the ultimate predator on the road. With the Miura, Ferrari finally faced a real rival. Enthusiasts and competitors alike were stunned. Lamborghini had arrived, and it had set a new standard. Ferruccio continued to push the boundaries. The Countach emerged as a revelation. Sharp angles, aggressive stance, and a performance that left even the boldest drivers in awe. Lamborghini was no longer just a brand. It had become a philosophy, a rebellion against conformity, a celebration of ambition, and an obsession with perfection. Every roar of its V12 engine announced a challenge to the status quo. Through the decades, Lamborghini continued to innovate. Models like the Diablo, Murcielago, and Aventador carried forward the DNA of daring design and engineering excellence. Each car combined monstrous speed with breathtaking aesthetics, ensuring that Lamborghini remained a symbol of technical mastery and unyielding ambition. Even today, Lamborghini represents more than speed and luxury. From humble tractor workshops to the world's most exotic supercars, every model reflects Ferruccio's unwavering commitment to excellence. Each car, with its roaring engine, bold lines, and innovative design, is a reminder that passion and ambition can transform dreams into enduring legends. From a small Italian garage to the pinnacle of automotive innovation, Lamborghini stands as a symbol of excellence, creativity, and a relentless power of vision realized. It is a testament that true ambition, combined with courage and skill, can create not just cars, but legends that will inspire generations to come.